Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Unlocking Computer Secrets with Rizqtech. Alright, let's get right into it.
Remember, always do the practice of what you are learning. We continue from where we stop. This is for the beginners class. Take it step by step. Practice to become perfect. Explanation. The next person that we have here is because I've touched it. So here now, if I like, I can approve it. So let me just approve the comments. Done. So if you check this particular topic, how smart is your mobile phone, this comment will appear there. Look at this one from Anne on life changing experience. It's one of my blog, it's one of the posts that I made. You are doing a great job, man. Keep it up. Love your site. My thanks for doing such a good job. I believe you are getting something from this. The next one we have is from Lawal Abdulatif. On partner with us, make 28k weekly or 112k monthly. It says local shop. What does this mean? Now, this particular post, that was when we are still roaming on the street of internet. So there is a particular site whereby you register there, you start making comments, making posts, and you'll be getting some certain peanuts then. So while I was looking for downline, I make this post and it goes online, and this guy now saw it, says local shop. Maybe he's trying to tell us that it's not more useful. That is what he's trying, just to underrate it. I believe that is the main purpose. So I've approved it. The comment is there. So this is how people will be making comments on whatever you do on your website, and probably maybe you have good information. One day someone might come across it, and that will become marketable to you. So here is another one, RCICT. Me in particular, the admin. You will also see the registration button. Click on it to register free. So like giving reply to Lawal Abdulatif. And here is another one. Click here to chat with me privately. So this is all about what we have here. So here are some other information that you can go through, but for now we don't need that. Now let's go back and move to the right side.